Hello, today I am going to tell you how to round to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, let's start. If you're going to round 51 to the nearest 10, you'll need to know the units measurement. The units. For example, right now the unit is 1. So you have to work out if it's closer to 50 or 60. And in this case, it's closer to 50. So the answer will be 50 for now. If you're going to round 65 to the nearest 10, that's a bit harder because it's in the middle of 60 and 70. So whenever it is in this case, you always have to round up. You should never round down. So if in this case it's going to be 70. So the answer is 70. Now, I'll give you some questions and you try them out. Okay, now pause the video and read these, get a piece of paper and write it down and try to figure out the answer. Okay, if you got 60 for this answer, you are correct. If you got 40 for this answer, you are correct. If you got 30 for this answer, you are correct. Okay, now watch this video again and see if you can remember it and keep it in your head. Now I will show you how to round to the nearest 10. First we'll round to the nearest 100. So in this case, this is a bit harder if you're going to round to the nearest 100. First, you'll have to look at the tens digit if you're going to round to the nearest 100. You'll have to look at the tens digit if you're going to round to the nearest 100, and then what you want to do is see if it's closer to 100 or 200. In this case, it is closer to 100. So the answer is 100. If you're going to round 150 to the nearest 100, it's basically the same thing because it's basically the same thing as like rounding 65 to the nearest 10, because um, it's in the middle of 100 and 200, and whenever that happens, you have to round up. It's like when with money, you always have to go up. You shouldn't go down. But we'll put that in a future video. So you should now round these. Pause the video and round these numbers. Now watch the video again like last time and see if you can remember it. Now we're going to round to the nearest thousand. This is a bit harder because there's 4 digits, and it's quite harder because like 1528, you have to look at the 5. Sometimes you'll have to look at the tens, and sometimes even the units. So this is how it works. Once again, it's like rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. You have to look at the 100, and you'll have to see if it's closer to 1,000 or 2,000. And right now it's closer to 1,000. So the answer for now is 1,000. Now we'll try rounding 1,800. Now we'll try doing something a bit harder. Okay. 1,800 is actually closer to 2,000, so the answer will be 2,000. Because 8 is closer to 10, and it's not closer to 1, so the answer will be 2,000. Okay, now try rounding these numbers. Okay, now try all of these and test your memory. Once you have got all of them right, watch the video again, and then you can like, comment and share, and give the video a thumbs up, and bye for now.